Hello, guys. Welcome back to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. I'm Rishale, a psychic reader. I read cards according to my intuition and energies. Let's do journal reading for what are their intentions. You may think of anyone with whom you are not clear about their intentions regarding. It can be a lover, an ex, an friend, parent, anyone you want to think of. Pick a pile. I have already shuffled the cards. It's a general reading. It may or may not resonate. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Note that there are no genders in tarot. Energies can be vice versa. I don't read reversals. So let's get into the reading. So first card is your current circumstances for pile 1. Oh, pile 1, you have got Queen of Wands, Page of Pentacle, High Honor. So I think your current circumstances is that you are very beautiful person. First of all, you may be male, female, and lot of people look at you, observe you in a high honor. There is someone in your energy who wants to offer something to you. This is your current circumstances, and the person you are thinking of, their circumstances are. Their current circumstances are that they are into a happy, stable relationship. It may be with you or some other person, with some other person. Because High Priestess is there, you can see that it can be a secret from you or you are a secret from them. You want, they want a change. They want this change in family dynamic, I guess. That is what I can see, their circumstances. So their current motives are they are juggling with pentacles. They have left you in cold. Maybe they are working on something. Maybe their motive is that to get some money actually. It may be from you or from other things. Maybe they are juggling in two projects, jobs. It can be anything, but they have left you in cold for some time. But their motive is very clear that they are looking for money. Their current methods, so how they are going to achieve it? They are stuck into their head. They want to make a decision, but they are still in hangman position. Like they want to make a judgment, they want to make a decision, but they are imprisoned in their own head. They are still thinking about it. So how this will move forward, their way forward? They want to work on something. They always think of you. They are unhappy about it. Then they think of coming back to you so that they can uh, work on something so that they can move forward with you. They want to apologize to you. I think we got the card here. They want to offer you something. They keep thinking, but they are not doing anything right now. They are working on it. They are just thinking about it and they want to work forward on it. Best option for you is get out of this despair. Okay, get out of this despair. When they come back, just move forward in life. Don't wait for them. Don't be unhappy about what has happened. Don't be unhappy about what has happened. If they come back, if he come out of that depression, then you should move forward. Your best option is Your best option is just end this relationship, have some clarity, make a new beginning. As you can see, there are two aces. It means that you should end this relationship or just emotionally end it. Maybe you are fighting from last 4 months. I just drawn to this candles, and you're just thinking about it to end it from last 4 months, I guess 4 days, 4 weeks, 4 months. And you can just make a new start with clarity, because when you have clarity it is easy to go, you can walk through that path, you can work on your career, you can move forward in life. That is what these messages are telling me. So what are the messages from this person to you? You are song of my heart, you are muse, I am stuck in my ego. So this person is stuck in his ego, something happened between you guys and he is stuck in his ego. He wants to, these are the messages which he is not able to give you. Everyone has priority in life, I too have them. So he is telling that his priority is his responsibilities, maybe. So measure people by size of their hearts, not size of their bank account. So he thinks that you measure people with them with their money. That is what he thinks, that is his thinking. So your best advice is just to end this relationship or cut off everything, have clarity in your thoughts and make a new beginning, move forward. You can be a Cancer, he can be a Cancer. Any other signs I can see? I think Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, this is what I can see. uh, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. So okay, this is what I can see right now. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius is also there, as Queen of Wands is there. These signs can be vice versa. It can be yours, it can be theirs. So take it as it resonates. Thank you. If you like my reading, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. For personal readings, see the description box below. Thank you. Okay, so pile 2. Pile 2, your current circumstances. There is a mature person who is in love with you. Here also Queen of Wands. Lot of people watch you guys. Okay. So this mature person is watching you with a lover, and when he thinks of you, he thinks that you are very prideful. That is what he thinks. He can be your father, grandfather, he can be your boss, he can be anybody. He is a mature man. I mean, like, he's having age difference with you. That is what I can see. Okay. So, what are their current circumstances? They want you to be a mature woman. They want to give you a stable offer, and they want to see you as their children. I mean, like, they want to see you happy. In fact, this is what their current circumstances are. But this stability, it is going to come very slow, very slow. That is for sure. Maybe 1 year or so. Okay, their current motive is they want to make you privilege, and then they will move back to whoever they were with, and it will break your heart very badly. That is their motives. Oh my god. So it can be they want you to come back, breaking someone's heart, maybe. Because here I can see that they are watching you with a lover. So this might be their motive, that they want to privilege you. They want you to come back to them and break the other person's heart. Or it might be your heart too. Their current methods are they are making you tempt regarding their wealth, stability. Here also a mature man. He's a wealthy man. He's having money. But he wants you to emotionally walk away from wherever you are right now. That is what his current methods are. He want to make sure that you come back to them. Way forward. They want to gift you. They are waiting for your reply. They're just trying to communicate with you, but they want to communicate with you. They're just waiting for you to, they want to offer you the world. They want to tell you that they have everything, and they want to gift you. Their way of moving forward is they want to gift you. Okay, what's the best option for you? Ah, best option is don't take their offer. Just ignore that. They will message you, but be free. Just be happy with your own self. That is your advice. Best option, I guess. Yeah, best option for you is just read his message or her message, this mature man's message, and just don't accept the cup. You have other options too, so you can be free. You can be happy on your own for the time being. That is the best option for you. Other than that, what is the resolution of the situation? Resolution: walk your own path. Lot of transformation, lot of butterflies. You have a beautiful pathway to go. You will be a star. Stop waiting for things to happen. Three of Wands means there is, you are waiting for something. You are just looking at the path, but you are not going on that. So take the path. It's a beautiful path. You will find everything. All your emotions will be balanced. You will be fine. You will be a star. So this is your resolution of the situation. So this mature man's messages for you which are untold are: I am truly sorry for my hurtful words and actions I did. So they have hurt you some way or the other. I find everything about you pleasurable and irresistible. So he is very fond of you, that is for sure. I am healing from reality. It's just work in progress. So this person is also hurt, and he thinks that he is also healing. Whatever happened between both of you, he is also healing, or she is also healing. But he is sorry for hurtful words because he finds you very pleasurable. So he is also healing from reality. It's just work in progress. So I think best advice for you is you should find your way and move forward. That is what these cards are telling me. Signs can be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Aquarius. More of fire is there for sure. Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So these signs I can see. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I think all the signs are there on table, and we can embody any signs actually we have in our charts. So just take it what resonates, and thank you very much. If you like my readings, make sure you share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. For personal reading, see the description box below. Thank you. Bye. See you soon.